Cumilla Cadet College, established in 1983, is ready to accept all the challenges of 21st century. Located between the 1,000 years ancient historic Moinamoti Bihar and Bangladesh Academy for Rural Development, the 52 acres college premise is ready to fulfill dreams of future cadets in a new infrastructural facilities and uniqueness, where the total area is fully utilized for the cadets to nurture the future.
We have a dream.
Yes, we can.
We are brave to stand.
We can touch the sky.
We can face the challenges. We can be the best.
We can face the challenges.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can. We have a dream.
We can face the challenges.
We are brave to stand.
Sky is our limit.
Sky is our limit.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
We can be the best.
আমরাই পারবো দেশকে এগিয়ে নিতে। Yes, we can.
আমরা করব জয়।
We can face the challenges.
We can touch the sky.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
Throughout my education, I not only learned different individual skills and arts to learn, but also I developed confidence. And in our training curriculum, we insist our cadets to instill this quality of confidence within themselves. They believe, yes, I can.
I have a dream.
I have a dream.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
I have a dream.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
I have a dream.
Positivity. Think. Creativity. Inspire. Possibility. Enormous opportunity.
Cumilla Cadet College is inviting all to the possibilities of upcoming generations in collaboration with the dream catchers of this cadet college. Now, this is our promising commitment, a journey towards making this dream come true and a meaningful one. Cumilla Cadet College will be a place of fulfilling hopes and aspirations of future cadets where they find their zenith of success.